Assalamu alaikum. As we all know that the whole world is strongly connected with advanced and digital resources. Whiteboard animation. I am here to tell you about whiteboard animation, which is also related to our advanced digital courses. For making these type of videos, we use two software. One is Rendershare Filmora and other is Videoscribe. Videoscribe is used for making animated videos by using PNG pictures and text, and Filmora is used to edit them. We can do voiceover by using Wondershare Filmora. By using this platform, we can earn from YouTube and Fiverr. This course is offered by Nayee Subah Foundation in collaboration with DP World. Address B110 Phase 2 Gulshan Hadid, Karachi. Timings 8 pm to 9 pm Monday to Friday.